Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create invoice on bills. So if you want to create an invoice on bills, here are a step-to-step guide on how to get it done. So the first step is to sign up to your bill website, which is to visit the bill.com website. Then click on the sign up button, then fill in your details to create an account. And after that, you have to verify your email address to activate your account. So on the step 2, you have to set up your account. So to set it up, you have to log into your bill account. Then complete the onboard process by processing information about your business and payment preferences. And also you have to customize your account settings, including your email address and payment method. Now to create an invoice on the step 3, you have to navigate to the invoice section and click on Create Invoice. Then select a customer from your list or add a new customer by entering their details. Then choose an invoice template that suits your need. After that, you have to enter the invoice details, including the invoice number, date, due date, and payment time. Then after that, add the line items for the product or service you are billing for, including description, quantities, and prices. And after that, if applicable, add taxes and discounts to the invoice. Then on the step 4, you have to customize the invoice, which is to add your company logo and any additional attachments such as receipt or supporting document. Then after that, customize the email message that represents with the invoice, which is to preview the invoice to ensure all details are correct. Then on the step 5, you have to send the invoice down. Click on preview and send to review the invoice one last time. Then enter the email address of the recipient, include any additional recipient if needed. Then click on send invoice to send the invoice to your customer. Now the step 6, you have to track and manage invoice. To monitor the status of your invoice in the invoice section. Then track when invoice are sent, viewed, and paid. Then send the reminder for overdue invoice and manage your payment received.